And we're back. I have, I mean, you know, do I have to tell you? At this point, you know why I'm here. But I do have more fiber. This is like, I think fiber is my favorite thing to present to you guys. It's just so much fun. So what we have here is by Greenwood Fiberworks, and it is this beautiful hand-dyed merino silk cashmere. And I'm reading the label because I want to tell you exactly what's in it. It is 62.5% merino, 25% silk, and 12.5% cashmere. It is like I can't stop touching it. It's so soft and nice. And we have a total of 10 colors of these, but we have just chosen just a handful out of them because 10 would be a lot to juggle. I already have quite a lot of pasta that I'm juggling over here. But they're beautiful. I mean, why wouldn't you love that? Look at this one. I love this one. It reads to me like a Monet or something. I just really like it. And this one too. It's beautiful, beautiful. So if you like these, if you're a spinner, you probably felt these, although I would most definitely recommend not needle felting them. They're just a little too luxurious for that, I think. But if you want to wet felt them, you could do that for sure. But yeah, if you need fiber and you need beautiful hand-dyed soft, luxurious fiber, check it out. It's going to be 20% off. So go and see all of the various colors that we have. Again, this is not all of them. And bathe in the luxury. It is so nice. This one matches me right now. So anyway, go get one. I'm taking this one.